In the heart of Lafayette, Louisiana, Took's Market has been a cherished establishment for over 30 years. Nestled at 3103 Johnston Street, it seamlessly blends the essence of a traditional meat market with the allure of a local dining spot. The challenge for Took's Market has always been to maintain its reputation for quality amidst growing competition. To address this, Took's Market has consistently focused on offering the finest meats and delectable plate lunches. Their menu boasts specialties like bacon-wrapped fillets and artichoke-stuffed chicken breasts, drawing in both locals and tourists. The market's commitment to excellence is reflected in its ratings: a perfect 5.0 on TripAdvisor and a solid 4.0 on Yelp, highlighting customer satisfaction. The result is a vibrant, welcoming atmosphere where patrons can enjoy hearty meals or purchase premium meats. Took's Market stands as a testament to quality and tradition, making it a must-visit destination in Lafayette for meat lovers and food enthusiasts alike.